AMC is going down almost 7%. Why? And of course, why GameStop went down as well? From the $20, below the $20 right now is around the $19. So there is a big change in price action for both of them. For AMC, yes, we got a pullback right now, technically just from the beginning of this month, almost 18%. So we have to discuss where the price will reverse because we already did this kind of pullback before here after the offering news and before the earnings 44%. Then we reverse, if you remember, guys, 80%. So this is normal reaction for AMC. So we're gonna discuss when we're gonna reverse and when the market maker will buy again for AMC. And before we go further, remember our content always for educational purposes only, and of course, we always do update on our Discord and Bitcoin for mini stocks and pre-market, and of course, stocks that have earnings as usually we do on our Discord, like what we did for Frog before the earnings and did a really good jump up before that. Anyway, so for AMC guys, let's go in GameStop first because the pullback happened last Friday. We did the video, but the sound was not working. So for last video, we discussed this pullback. We said the market maker or the short sellers just broke the trend here and confirmed that we have a big seller. The same price where we actually jumped before at the earnings, almost 15% here. We pulled back almost 15% there. So the buyer who bought around the earnings actually went and sold around this level. That's why we broke the level. We took almost 1 month in this consolidation zone. We have the chance to actually break the 2368, but we don't have other news to give us a confirmation to go higher from that, and that's why we didn't have a buyer. We have seller instead. However, in the meantime, we have the 2059, which is acting as a resistant right now. If we broke it, is mean we have another buyer over the 17, and this is might give us a reversal up on the other direction toward the bullish side. For now, we have to hold the 1772, which if we held it would be a good indication that we still have a chance to go over the 20. For AMC, on the other hand, we got a pullback almost 20%, and we getting near a major bottom level around almost 30% down or around the $2.12 where we expect a bounce. Why? Let me just show you exactly why. Just from the technical guys, we got many buyers and many sellers, of course. Many buyers back here. We have a huge buy. Once we pull back below the $1, we just jumped almost 100%. Then we pull back for a consolidation period around 30% or 32% toward the 125. And after that, a huge jump after the earnings, which it was a good reason to jump almost 130% because we got a good earnings. Then we pulled back again almost 43% at the offering news, and then we reverse up after the really good earnings before the good revenue. And after that, as you can see here, we got really good revenue, 6% suppressed up. That's why the price continued to go higher after that. Now we have a pullback, so we're gonna confirm the buyer is still there if we hold the $2.12, of course, to go toward the $4 and the $5.55. From my opinion, will be a good indication that AFC this month and the rest of the year will be on the bullish side from now on. So watch out for the $2.12, of course, and the $3.04 to confirm the squeeze once again. We're gonna discuss AMC and GameStop in depth by tomorrow, 15 minutes before the market open on our live streaming, and before that on our Discord and Patreon, where we discuss our watch lists and market outlook that we do every day. Thank you for watching, and see you all back by tomorrow.